Thokozane emakhosini, thokozane bogogo, thokozane bomkhulu. This is Indlovukazi, Nkosazane Robin. Ngiyanibingelela lonke ngeligama likaJesu Kristu of Nazareth. Guys. So in the living like I don't want to make this video long. I want to tell you Gutini, do not give up. Do not give up. Noma bangakuhleka, noma bangakubeka amabala, noma bangakubambela ama meeting, noma bangathini ngeligama lakho. Continue because God is about to show off ngempilo yakho. Ubonile, uvile, he's always been there. Kude into la ngakayibonanga, kude lo ngakakuvanga bakusho ngeligama lakho. Even the gift that you carry, le yena akuphe yona. So imagine ukuthi yena ufila kanjani. Nabathi yes sasilobunyanga lobu ubudobhe kuphi? Akusebunyanga lo. Oh lo prophet lo ubudobhe kuphi? Akana prophet lo. Just imagine them saying that about the gift that he gave it to you. Awuzange watipita wena, wapita nguye. So why should you fight battles that you are not supposed to fight? Because those battles are supposed to be fought by who? By God. So leave everything to God. Have hope. Kuthini? Nkulunkulu wami. Wena awuhlulanga lutho and utobakhomba, awuthanga ukubakhomba. So don't take everything into your own hands. Don't take anything to your own hands. Bayekele bahleke Nkosi yami, bayekele bahleke. When I just have hope with uNkulunkulu wami, I know ukuthi you will show up and show off. Njengoba sekashilo ukuthi yathikuthini bantu abamasafarile, and it's enough is enough. You have been forgiven, your sins are forgiven. Things are about to change. Things are about to change. Kubeka bambelela. If bova ngadlendo lo yenda kayisebenzi, like kahle this thing, what am I doing? Kubeka ngikutshele. Kubeka. uNkulunkulu akazange ayende imistake yokuthi akuchoose. uNkulunkulu akazange ayende imistake to give you this gift. This gift that you carry, it's not a child's play. Because you are a vessel of God. You needed this gift so that you can help his people. You understand? Usebenzisa wena. Ayuthena ngiyakhona ukuyendela, but isystem yakhe le the way creating ngakhona usebenzisa wena ukuthi wena ukhona yena akhona ukuthi asite abantu abakhe. Usebenzisa wena. So through wena usita abantu abakhe. Do you get it? So he will make sure ukuthi wena alright. He cannot leave you alone. He will always take care of you. Things are changing. Starting from today, things are changing. Let them laugh. Let them call you names. If bebathi maybe alona kumbe unyanga lenjani kumbe lona umthandazi lonjani kumbe lona in nanani, abathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu behind the scenes wendani. But today he has spoken. God saying, my people have suffered for the longest time, and it is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Trust and believe. Have hope. Have hope. Hlale ethembeni kuqapha uthandaze phahla. Don't let them tell you otherwise. Have hope. But ukukhuluma, yeah, lona kwasha kwacima, lona yaditshela, lona mthakathi, lona lento la yenda kubuthakathi, what that, because uyabashisa. First of all, uyabashisa. This thing that you carry, this power that God has given you, yabashisa left and right and center. And one thing that they won't tell you is that you motivate them. They look up to you. They look up to you, and they won't tell you. That's why they try by all means to destroy you, because they want to be you first of all. They want to be you. So be yourself. Have hope. Trust in the Lord. Continue. Vuka thandaza. Hamba kulamandi. If it means hamba ngetinyawo, hamba, do it. Something big is about to happen in your life. God has heard you. Ubuvile. awukho wedwana ni awukho wedwana. So yeah, continue. Awukho wedwana. Things are about to change. Emakhosini, I love you guys so much. uNkulunkulu uyanithanda. Remember ukuthi you are not alone. uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda and uNkulunkulu ubone konke, ukuve konke, and he's about to change everything in your life. And bayothi uthwele while bad ukuthi futhi they were adding on your problems while you were trying, walking, doing this and that, ukuphahla, ulali, fighting them and all that. Sasa futhi bayokubita ukuthi wena uthwele, bad ukuthi you were praying, you were fasting. Bebad because bebavakashele ebusuku ngani, bebad bayakuthola uthandaza. Mara kusasa bayogijima bathi wena uthwele. Akunankinga as long as you know ukuthi wena uthembela kubani, ulidwa ngubani. Yangipha ukuthi ngithini, ungalahli ithemba, ungadibulali, ungaqala udibulali. The way bekubhlungu ngakhona, the way kubhlungu ngakhona ngisichubeka uNkulunkulu uthi ubonile, uvile, it's enough. Enough is enough. Anyways, uNkulunkulu uyanithanda. God bless you and be blessed, man. Have hope, hlale ethembeni, and kuqa uthandaze. Everything that you do, qalisa uNkulunkulu phakathi, umfake phakathi, umqase phambili, adrive nje lempilo yakho. When I just have hope, trust the process, things are about to change. Anyways, emakhosini, thokozani, be blessed.